Hello, it's David Walker here with Michael Dempsey from Ray White Upper North Shore, and today we're so excited to present to you 29 Fairlawn Avenue in Turramurra. Indulging in an exclusive east side address, this 2012 built Meadowbank masterpiece delivers the perfect balance between classic contemporary and relaxed family luxury. The residence has been cleverly designed with harmonious open plan living spaces, seamless integration between indoor and outdoor areas, and a fully equipped outdoor kitchen by the pool that provides a wonderful environment for entertaining. Featuring only the highest of quality fixtures, finishes and luxurious inclusions, it promotes outstanding family livability with multiple living zones, a lower level guest retreat and stunning gourmet kitchen that sits at its heart.
The residence is gated and secured from the road and a private sanctuary, enjoying a blue ribbon setting, a stroll to the bus and local shops, and in the Wahroonga Public School catchment.
This luxury family home exudes class, and in its east side location is going to be hugely popular with families looking to make their stamp in the Turramurra market. We look forward to seeing you at one of the inspections.